After Hours GP Helpline. Pick up the phone and call it at 1-800-022-222.
The After Hours GP Helpline. Pick up the phone. You're not alone.
How to access after-hours healthcare. Call 000 when it's an emergency. An emergency is a critical or life-threatening situation, such as these: loss of consciousness, acute confused state, or fits that are not stopping, persistent severe chest pain, breathing difficulties, severe bleeding that can't be stopped. If you don't know if your situation is an emergency or not, you can call the After Hours GP Helpline on 1800 022 222 and they'll help you through it.
Make sure you have an ambulance membership so you are covered if you ever need our help in an emergency.
Keep your first aid skills up to date by completing a first aid course regularly.
First aid can help in emergency situations, like the recovery position, which is used for people who are unconscious but breathing. This position is designed to prevent suffocation through obstruction of the airway.
Getting ready to call the After Hours GP Helpline.
Shanice won't settle, I'm worried. What do you think I should do?
We should take her to the doctors, but they are closed. Maybe we should try that After Hours GP Helpline.
What do they do?
When you ring, you get advice from a nurse. They might put you through to a doctor.
All right, let's call them.
Before you call, you should be ready to answer any questions that will help the doctor to give the right advice. Did you know that 1 in 4 calls to the After Hours GP Helpline are resolved with self-care advice? Also, translators are available if there is a communication problem.
Preparing yourself to go to hospital or emergency.
Grandad, I've just finished talking to the doctor on the helpline and he said that I should take you to the hospital.
Okay, let's go then.
The doctor said we have to bandage your arm, bring your medication, Medicare card, and then we can go. Now, Grandpa, if you are thirsty, you can only have a few sips of water, just in case the doctor needs to do tests.
Once you arrive at emergency, be prepared to wait as your situation will be assessed by the nurse before treatment. Others may be treated before you, especially if they have a life-threatening situation.
Looks like I will have to wait before I see the doctor.
Yes, the more serious patients will go first, but we won't have to wait too long.
How to find your nearest After Hours GP clinics.
From the symptoms you have described, it sounds like Shanice has a virus. I suggest you go and see the doctor this evening just to be safe.
That's good to know, but where do I find a clinic that's open now?
I'll have a look for you. There are 2 clinics nearest to you.
Thanks for your help.
I'm glad I could help. Please give me a call if anything changes.
Hey sis, that was really helpful. Let's get Shanice ready.
You can find a health service when and where you need it. If you have the internet, you can visit www.nhsd.com.au or use the NHSD app to find the nearest After Hours clinic.
How to have a complete first aid kit and medicines.
Dad, the doctor on the GP helpline said to take some paracetamol and rest. I'll get some from the first aid kit.
Okay. It's lucky you bought some earlier and put it in the first aid kit because the shops are now closed.
Auntie, what else is in our first aid kit?
Well, lots of stuff, like bandages, creams and antiseptics, which can help mend you kids when you fall off your bike or get a sting.
That's good. Sometimes even a deadly rider like me falls off.
That's why I keep plenty of band-aids in my kit for when you kids come around. Alright, go outside and give Grandpa a rest.
Goldfields Midwest Medicare Local, connecting health to meet local needs.